How to change your PayPal account password on your iPhone. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up a browser on your iPhone and then go to paypal.com and just sign in to your PayPal account. Now you want to click on the three horizontal lines on the top left side. And from here, you will need to click on the settings icon or the settings wheel. And then you want to click on the security tab from here. Now all you need to do is just scroll to the password here and just click on password, and this should bring up the change password window where it will usually ask you for your old password. And before being able to change it, you might need to confirm this or pass this security check by entering the code that you should receive on your phone as a message or through email, or if you have two-factor authentication enabled. And once you've confirmed that, you'll usually need to enter the old password or the current one and just enter a new password and then reconfirm it again and just press the change password button. And this will usually change your password and log you out on any other sessions where you might be logged in. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.